I'm cooking kadoo ki sabzi. I'm going to boil actually. This is a vegetarian dish. So I just boil water. I'm going to use half eggplant, which they call bangan, or in Punjabi they call bataung, or called Ghiyaa or Locky or Dudi. In Dudi they call in Gujarati actually, or Locky in Urdu and in Hindi language. And this is also Punjabi is bataung, and bangan in Urdu, in English is eggplant. So same here. In Punjabi they call Ghiyaa Kadoo or Locky or Ghiyaa, or in Gujarati Dudi. And right here is one onion which I'm going to chop, and this is garlic, they call lasan, or Punjabi they call thorn. The piyaz is piyaz actually both. I have baby tomatoes which I just cut it. If I don't use now, it will gonna get bad actually. But these are three different colors. This is a dark color, these are yellow color, and these are like a red color, which is a laal sort of. And these are the ingredient I'm gonna use. Black seed is also kalonji in Urdu, and this one is a common seed called safed zira. Here is a salt. This is the actually ginger paste, they call adrak also, and here is Surakh Mirch or red chili powder, and turmeric powder, which is also called Haldi. So these are the stuff I'm using. And here is the Channa Daal is almost done, is boiled actually. And now I'm going to peel. I'm going to use half actually, and I'm going to peel this too. I'm going to use it. I'm going to peel and cut it, and I'm going to boil that separately. So then I'm going to cut it chopped onion, and I'm going to fry a little bit, and I will add all those things. But this I'm going to add it now. So I'm going to boil all these two things. So then I'm going to short video later.